This type of video is trending right now everywhere across all the social media platforms. People are making massive money right now with this type of video because they are getting thousands of views. They are getting massive views with this type of video. And you don't need laptop to do this. All you need is your smartphone. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something like this from beginning to the end. That is what I'm going to show you right now in this video. And without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. Let me show you how you can create something amazing like this. But first, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also share this video so that YouTube will suggest this video to more people. And don't forget to comment in the comment section of this video. Let's get started. Now, the next thing you are going to do is head over to your TikTok account and you search for baby dance. Baby dance. Now, as you can see different type of baby dance here, as you can see. So you can just select anyone you like. You can see them here. You can select anyone you like. So for example, I want us to go with, which one do you guys want us to go with? I want us to go with this one here. This one here. Let's go with this one. So the next thing you are going to do, make sure you wait when the video baby is stable. You take a screenshot. Now, after you take a screenshot of the baby, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT, where we'll be generating our image, which we are going to use for the video. Now, let's head over to ChatGPT. Now, this is ChatGPT. The next thing we are going to do on ChatGPT here, we click on this plus sign here, and we click on this plus sign, we click on upload photos. Now, we upload that photo we just took a screenshot right now. The photo we just took a screenshot, this is the photo. Now, we are going to tell ChatGPT to describe and give us this image. Now, this is what we are going to tell ChatGPT. Provide me with 2 different prompts that will look exactly like the reference image with different outfits and background image size. Background image size is 19 to 16.16. Then we click on continue so that ChatGPT is going to give us our image prompt. Why I'm giving this prompt is because I want to get exactly image like this so that ChatGPT is going to give us a perfect prompt, and ChatGPT is already doing it already. So as you guys can see, this is the prompt ChatGPT is giving to us. This is the prompt 1 and this is the prompt 2. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do everything. Don't worry. So just pay attention and watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part, because if you skip a part, you are going to miss some things. Now, after ChatGPT have successfully give us our image prompt, the next thing we are going to do is to copy this first one here. The first image prompt here, we are going to copy everything. Now, after we copy everything, we are going to head over to this AI to call Whisk AI, where we are going to generate our image. You can use ChatGPT to generate your image. You can use Google Gemini to generate your image. You can use any AI tool of your choice to generate your image. But I'll be using this AI tool here, which is called Whisk AI. I'll be using this AI tool. This AI tool you guys are seeing here, this is the AI tool I'm going to be using because I like using this AI tool. you come back to Google, you search for the AI tool. If you don't know how to search for it, you search for it on Google and you are going to see it like this. The first link you see here, you click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to take you to an interface like this. This is how you are going to see it. As you can see, this is how you are going to see it. Let it give you some minutes so that it will open. And when it opens, I'm going to show you how you are going to use it to generate your image. Because why I love using this AI tool is generate perfect image. The image are very, very tonic. Now it's asking me to log in with my email. So let me log in with my mail. Let me log in with my mail. So let me log in. So it's going to generate a perfect image. Their image, I love the type of image this AI is generating. Yes, I love the type of image it's generating. That is why I love using the AI tool. Now it has logged in. The next thing we are going to do is to click on Enter Tools here. And when you click on Enter Tools, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now it's telling us to upload our prompt here. Below here, as you are seeing it, is telling us to upload our prompt. It says describe your idea. Now the next thing we are going to do, the prompt will just copy right now. We paste the prompt here. Now when you paste the prompt, the next thing you are going to do is to select your video ratio here. As you can see, you select it on 9.16. You select it on 9.16. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate. Now when you click on generate, it's going to generate the image for us. It's going to generate it perfectly the way we want it. So let's just give it some minutes. Now as you can see, this is our result here. This is our result. You see what the first one and the second one. So you can choose any one and save it. I prefer this one here, this one here. As you can see, I prefer this one here. If there's anything you want to change here again, you can also click on it and you click on change and it's going to change it. So I prefer this one. Let me download it to my phone. You click on this dot here and you click on download. Now it has successfully download to our phone. Now we have got our image. The next thing we are going to do right now is to head over to TikTok again, where we'll be getting our reference video, the type of video we want to generate. Now let's head over to TikTok. Now this is TikTok again. The next thing we are going to search here is, let's search for any dancer, any dancer. We can decide to use that any dancer, Let's use like Purple Speedy, or what is it even called? I don't know. We'll search for Purple Speedy. Let's check for our page so that we'll look for a video where she was dancing. Any video we want to use as our reference. You can check any of your video that she is dancing so that we'll use that video as a reference. Now let me check this video and see the dancing step here. Let's check this. Now let's check this video here. Let's check this video. Now I don't like this. Let's check another one. No, I don't even like this. Let's check. No, I don't want this. Let's just go with the first one. The first one I type on this one. Let's go with this one. Now the next thing we are going to do is to download this video to our phone. The next thing we are going to do is to click on save, and we save this video to our phone. Click on download. Now after downloading this video to our phone, the next thing we are going to do is to trim the video. We need to trim the video to, let's say, 15 seconds or 30 seconds. Yes, we have to trim the video. This is the video. We click on edit. I want us to trim this video, so you can trim the video to 30 seconds. Now this is 29 seconds already. Let's click on save. Let's click on save. It's saving the video. Let's give it some minutes so that it's going to save the video. Now it's also saved the video. Now the next thing we are going to do is to head over to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store where you are downloading your app. Now this is Google Play Store. We'll be searching for this AI to call Clink AI, or what is it called? Clink AI. This is it. This is the app. This is the app we are searching for. As you can see, this is the app. We install the app on our phone. This is the app. Then after we install this app, let me install the application on my phone. Then after you install the app, you open the app and you register. So let us give it some minutes so that the app is going to install in our phone. Now the app has successfully installed. The next thing we are going to do is to click on open, and we click on open is going to bring us to an interface like this. We click on accept. Now the next thing you are going to do, don't to receive any notification. Cancel all this. Now the next thing we are going to do is going to bring us to an interface like this, as you can see, where we see different type of motion, trending, all these things. Now the next thing you click is swap like this, and you are going to see motion control here. Motion control, you click on motion control. Now when you click on motion control, it's asking us to register, so you will need to register and log in. Now let's click on login with Google. I will use my Google account and log in. Now I've successfully chosen my Google account. I'm logging in. Now after you successful login, it will bring you to an interface like this, motion control. Now the first thing is asking us here, the first image here is saying add character image. Now we are going to add the character image, the image we got from Quiz AI. We tap here and we add the image. We are going to add the image from our gallery. Now this is the image we got. We have added the image. Now the next thing here is telling us to add video motion. Now we have to add the video. It says add motion video. We tap on it and we click on select from camera roll. Now this is the video here. The first one is the video. We add it. Now it has added the video here. As you can see, it has added the video. Now we select, make sure you select this. You make sure you select it so that it will be showing green by the side like this. Now after you select it, the next thing you are going to do, you click on this match video. As you can see, now you put your prompt here. You put your prompt here. The prompt how you want the video to do. Now this is the prompt you need to put. This is the prompt. You write the character in the uploaded, let's use uploaded image should replicate exactly motion, expression and step showing in the reference video. Then the next thing we are going to do is to click on generate. As you can see, generate here. Click on generate. Now for us to be able to generate, is telling us not enough credit, because when you register on this platform, they are going to give you some credit, but we need another credit for us to be able to do this. So we need to purchase more credit. So it's telling us to purchase more credit. Credit valid for 2 years, as you can see. Now if you want to do this, you can decide to upgrade your account by clicking on purchase now, and after you purchase now, you'll be given a lot of credit which you can be using to generate videos like this. And this is how you can create amazing video like what you are watching right now, and you get amazing videos like this. So you can decide to upgrade so that you can be able to use this AI tool and create a lot of videos which you can be posting on your social media account, and you'll be getting massive views every day. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I start dropping more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.